We have ourselves one exciting video drop from the Upland team, and if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out because, among other things, like giving us massive car teasers, it also came with gameplay footage of racing, which, we absolutely have to check out. Hey there, John Henry here, SXSW. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome, my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Before we jump on in, we have a Street View submission that I want to take a look at here. The Street View submission comes from Fran Extremera, I believe is how you say that. Street View 220 West 19th Street, Manhattan. Coming at me with all these Manhattans, huh? So we've got that right here. Let's take a look at the Street View of this one. Ooh, whoa, what is this? Whoa, now this is really cool. It's like a dance studio? Yeah. Okay, this is an exercise studio. Careful now. It's an awkward place to have a camera. Oh, see, now this is kind of cool. You can see how they do it. This time around, it's not some person standing in the middle of the room. It looks like they have a tripod. This one is really cool. It's like an awesome rave exercise room. Really neat area. Man, that might actually get me wanting to exercise here. It's just, over in Manhattan. Either way, thank you for posting it. So here's the video, and the link is on the top there, and I'll try to remember to put that in the description for you too. But we just had the video drop from the Upland team saying how cars are entering the metaverse, and obviously that's massively exciting. But what makes it so much cooler is that there's some in-game footage of racing. Now, first off, right at around the 26-second mark or so, we can see a city selector. And in this city selector, it seems like the only ones that we've got at the moment, San Francisco, New Orleans, Chicago, and New York. And the one that they choose is on the New Orleans side of things here. But as they choose it, it kind of fades off, and then we have this introduction of what appears to be the racing strip. Now, we've got some, what I would assume is player housing in the background. How cool is that to see all of the different housing and stuff in the background? Like, as an example, I know I talk about it a lot, but I've been working in the Sunset 2.0 community building up houses there, and how cool would it be to have like a drag strip with all of the houses down Sunset? It's just really cool to think about with this. Now, I don't necessarily know what these different locations are, within the map, but here we can see them counting down with the normal 3, 2, 1, and then we've got the first introduction of, what it appears like the in-game UI. Now, I did notice, and this is right at around the 34-second mark or so, we get a glimpse of that the in-race UI, for lack of better words, with the track and everything in the top left. I did notice that this track, while watching this, did not move. Now, I'm hoping that in the game, the track actually does move, but we've got the lap counter, the position counter, the leaderboard, whatever you want to call that, in the top right. And then another thing that kind of stands out here is in the bottom right corner, we also have what I'm assuming to be different camera angles, right? So you've got the helicopter view way up in the air, the car one, which is where we are now behind the vehicle, and then I'm assuming inside the cockpit view would be the next one. Maybe with that cockpit view, that also means steering wheel support and all of that other stuff in the future? That could be fun. So we can kind of let this complete in the background here, but I mean, this is massively exciting stuff. Either way, whether it's these specific tracks or if this is just a demo to get things going or whatever it is, but the fact that we're getting this kind of footage is incredible, and races are going to be an absolute blast. So what are you most looking forward to? Are you going to be snagging up some sports cars or maybe running deliveries and semi trucks? If you have any thoughts, ideas for new videos, or an amazing street view or anything else that you want to share, drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching this quick little one here. We wanted to go over the metamotors and some footage that's going to be coming out. They are at South by Southwest as I speak right now. That's actually going on, and there's going to be more and more stuff coming out. But this is one of the highlights, talking about metamotors and seeing in-game footage. Oh man, that's exciting. Thanks for watching, and as always, have an awesome time in the metaverse. Get excited out there. These things are coming. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.